Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you can tell by the damn title of this video, I'm building a gaming PC, bro. Like, I'm really about to do it. I really thought everybody who built a gaming PC was a nerd. Like, yo, I know Shazzy and Jazz are my cousins that you about to see them in a second. They gonna be hurt. We made a little group chat call converting Heather to the PC master class. So no, what's it called? Is it master class? Master race. It's the master race. So my boy Shazzy about to come over in a little bit. My face is a little droopy. It's because I was at the dentist this morning. So I feel like I can't even say it right. I feel like Rocky Balboa. Yeah, my boy Shazzy's about to pull up. We're gonna go to Micro Center and we're gonna get the stuff for building and we're gonna get to building. All right, so right before we buy everything, let me tell you guys why I'm gonna build a PC. Two reasons, and the only two reasons I need. You guys know the new Xbox and the new PS5 are coming out. They're gonna go for like what, let's say 400 each. 400 for each of them. The laptop I have, it's not like, it's an Asus laptop. It's all right. It works. It does me good. You know, I can still put out these videos and everything, but I was thinking, I'm like, yo, it's starting to slow down on me. I'm like, yo, because I got it like a couple years ago. If it slows down more and more, it's gonna be bad for me. Bad for the YouTube videos. It's gonna take longer to render and upload video, and also that means I would have to spend money on another laptop. And if I spend money on another laptop, I was like, bro, I'm just gonna get a MacBook or like something like that. I'll be a basic Apple Steve Jobs, you know, Tim Cook type of guy. I was like, if I'm gonna do that, I might as well get something super strong, and a MacBook's like 1,000 itself, and then the new Xboxes and all that's coming out, so I'm like, that's another $500 for games. So I'm like, wait, PC games, gaming PC, you know, it's simple math. You want those two, just get a machine that does both. That's what I'm gonna do. So I might even stream some games because it's fun, you know. You guys join in and play some Among Us, new Call of Duty, whatever. That's why I'm gonna do it. You know, it does, you know, 2-in-1 for me. It gets the job done. I'll be able to, you know, upload much faster. I'll be able to render and edit and do all that much faster. And I still have this laptop. I'll give it to my dad. I'll let my dad use this laptop and let him have it. Yeah, we're gonna get to this PC build. Let's do this, bro. Oh, drippy. Damn, bro, you parked far as shit.
I had to, man. I didn't know where to go. I don't know where any of the parking is around here.
Yo.
What's good, bro?
What up? Yo, bro, you finally converted me to the master race.
Bro, PC master race all
PC master race, bro.
The subreddits and shit. That same exact title.
Oh, we have Micro Center with my nerds, the master race. Okay. Yeah, imagine you go to Micro Center and they didn't have the automatic entrance. Like, you're supposed to have the best electronics and you don't even have that?
Yeah, for the science, sure people know.
3090 cars, that's what you were telling me about. What's up?
Like, you can't sanitize?
Yeah, I'll sanitize.
Gotcha.
Thank you. Question. Do you know if you guys price match on Amazon stuff?
No, we don't price match Amazon because I think it's because of Amazon Prime.
The Prime Day shit?
Yeah, I don't think they do it.
Got you. Cool. Thank you. Oh my god.
But for these, it's harder to stream off.
How much is this? I'm not even looking, bro. Alright, let's find all this stuff.
Just say aisle number on it.
I think we need a cart. Oh, wow. Do they not have it?
What else?
It's all like crappy leather. No warranties?
No.
Alright, question, since I'm buying a bunch of stuff, right? What's the return policy like?
30 days.
30 days? Anything, no matter what?
Yeah, anyway. $1,007.96.
Bro, that's OD. Okay. Alright. Vicious.
What do you have, like a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
So what do you do, like vlogs about?
Yeah, I just started doing like vlogs and stuff. I'm mostly a fitness channel.
How many subscribers you got?
I have 14 million now, 1,400.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, imagine.
Crazy.
Oh, you gotta plug it. Oh, it only works when it's plugged. It's literally like plug and go. Plug it in. The case and the nozzles. Mad different nozzles. Damn, bro, I can't even get this off. I'm supposed to build a PC, bro? Yo! Get the hell out of here. I should break all that right now. Oh, they're separate, okay. Should I just rip it off?
Yeah, do the guy did say anything.
He
in
did.
return.
That's fire. Yo, it's fire.
I'm telling you, bro, that's the shit that people use
That's two modes. You have low, and then you have high.
I've been waiting to buy one too.
That shit's strong.
It's like a mini lawnmower, bro. I mean, leaf blower.
Leaf blower.
That's that long range.
That's crazy. Range, bro. Box cutter? I have a screwdriver here. I have a more clutch than Danny Green.
I think everybody is.
Seriously.
Table.
I'm
Getting a sore as fuck.
put on that one.
Oh,
Is that static? I
yeah.
hope I got that.
I hope. Bro.
Because I heard it. I thought it was a bag. That shit was-
Static shock, bro.
Yo, make sure you don't drop that shit.
Yeah.
That's
Slides out and then comes out.
it's kind of nice, actually.
Yeah, that's actually great.
This one slides off too.
All right. What we doing, boss? Damn, bro, it's gonna be a lot of screwing.
Yo, look at you building the PC.
Working hard, bro. Working hard or hardly working. I got that YouTuber money. I paid them $150 just to build it.
On your motherboard and plugging it straight in. That way you can control it and sync it with any other RGB.
Got it like that.
3 hours later.
And that's it?
No, you flip it and then you're gonna hit the button.
All right. One.
It's like starting a jet.
Oh, there's already lights on. Oh. Okay, okay. We're gonna have to change that color from red though. Oh, that's the color I wanted. Damn, I want to change that.
You could change that in the settings.
In the computer settings? Oh, that's tough. Now we're chilling. Okay. Alright, so this is the setup. My keyboard right here. Screen 1. I had this from before. It's a Mac screen. My brother had it. I just needed one piece for $5 and it did that. That's what I use when I stream for this camera that I'm using. Screen 2, 32-inch LED Acer screen. That's the thing that they built. I mean, that I built by myself, all by myself with no help at all. Got the mouse, nice little mouse pad. Got this little desk, got my morning planner, got the lens cap, the Aquaphor for the new ink. I'm the LeBron of the family. That's baby me. And that's my camera gear. So that's the setup. So watch my streams. I'm gonna be streaming. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video.